Stock market for beginners, how it really works. Imagine waking up at 60, looking at your bank account, and realizing you played it safe your whole life. You saved, you worked hard, but your money, it never worked for you. And now, you are trapped working when you should be living. This isn't a horror story. It's reality for millions. But not for you, because today, we're diving into the stock market, the world's greatest wealth building machine. Now, before you say, isn't the stock market just gambling, let's clear that up. Because if you think investing is the same as betting on a horse, you're missing the point. Before you learn how to make money, you need to understand what you are actually buying when you invest. And no, it's not just stocks or tickers flashing on a screen. 8. What is the stock market? The stock market is where people buy and sell ownership in companies. Stocks equals tiny slices of businesses. When you buy a stock, you own a piece of that company. Companies go public to raise money, and investors get a chance to grow their wealth. The two main stock markets, NYSE and Nasdaq. But if making money in stocks was so easy, why do some people lose everything? Though, why do stock prices change? Prices fluctuate due to supply and demand factors, earnings reports, economic data, investor emotions, fear, greed. The role of news and media in stock market volatility. While long-term investors win, day traders who often lose. If the stock market were a person, it would be that friend who changes their mood 20 times a day. 1 minute, they're thrilled. The next, they're panicking. And yet, over the long run, they always end up in a better place. So, how do you make money in this madness? Teen, how do you actually make money? Capital appreciation, stocks increase in value over time. Dividends, companies pay shareholders a portion of profits. Compounding, the secret weapon of long-term investors. What if I told you that just investing $10 a day could make you a millionaire? Sounds crazy, right? But let's break it down. But hold on, before you start investing, you need to avoid some major beginner mistakes. Chart, the biggest mistakes beginners make. Panic selling at the wrong time due to fear. Buying just because of hype, the next big thing, trap. Not diversifying, putting all eggs in one basket. Trying to time the market, even professionals fail at this. These mistakes don't just cost people a few dollars. They cost fortunes, entire retirements, generational wealth. So, if you shouldn't gamble in the market, how do you actually invest the right way? 5. How to start investing step by step. 1. Open a brokerage account. Robinhood, Fidelity, Zerodha in India, etc. Though, start with index funds. S&P 500, Warren Buffett's favorite. $10 cost averaging, investing consistently instead of timing the market. Chart, reinvest dividends, the power of compounding. 5. Think long term. Investing isn't a get rich quick scheme. It's a get rich slow scheme. And that's the point. But wait, what about risk? Isn't the stock market risky? Understanding risk or how to manage it. Risk V's. Reward, higher risk equals higher potential return. How diversification reduces risk. The importance of emotional control, why patience is key. The ultimate investing mindset, think like a business owner, not a gambler. Now that you know how the stock market works, let's talk about the strategy that builds wealth the fastest. 7. The millionaire investor mindset. The 8020 rule of investing. Focus on high impact actions. Why the rich invest in assets, not liabilities. The FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early. Why your greatest asset is time. The earlier you start, the bigger the rewards. Imagine two friends, Alex and Sam. Alex starts investing at 20, just $100 a month. Sam waits until 30 and invests double, $200 a month. Guess who ends up wealthier? Surprise, it's Alex. Why? Because time beats money. The stock market isn't a casino. It's a tool, a machine that turns money into more money if you use it wisely. Most people spend years working for money. But the wealthy, they make money work for them. 8. If you haven't already, open a brokerage account today. Though, invest at least a small amount every month, no excuses. 10. Choose long-term growth over short-term speculation. Chart, share this video with a friend who needs to start investing. Every day you wait is a day you lose. The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time, right now. So what are you waiting for? If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. More wealth building videos coming soon.